Abdo Kids. Cats. Bengal Cats by Grace Hanson. Abdo Publishing Company. Bengal Cats. Bengal cats look like they belong in the wild, but they are true domestic cats. Bengal cats come in many colors. Most are snow, brown, or silver. Snow, brown, silver. A patterned coat gives this cat its unique look. Some Bengals have rosette markings. Others have a marble pattern. Rosette, marble. Bengal cats have large oval eyes. They can be shades of blue, green, gold, or hazel. Their ears are rounded at the tips. Bengals are larger cats. Females usually weigh 8 to 12 pounds, or 3.6 to 5.4 kilograms. Males can weigh up to 15 pounds, or 6.8 kilograms. Bengals have sleek, strong bodies. Their hind legs are longer than their front legs. This helps them to jump high. Grooming. Bengals are great at grooming themselves. Still, they should be brushed once a week. This keeps their coats healthy. Personality and play. Bengals have lots of energy. They are also very smart. Cat toys keep them busy, but playtime with family is their favorite. Bengals are loving and friendly. If they are not busy climbing or playing, they are happy to cuddle. More facts. Bengal cats do not meow like most cats. Instead, they bark, chirp, squeak, and howl. The Bengal cat was bred to have the beauty of a wild cat, but the personality of a domestic cat. Unlike most cats, Bengal cats love the water. They get this trait from their wild ancestor, the Asian leopard cat.